Not big numbers, but maybe we can get it up. Beautiful. All right. Can't lose if you give me one game every time. Well, okay. This is nickel denom. Boost. Boost me, boost me, boost me. Do it. Okay. Beautiful. So we're 6 of 10. Oh, that sucked. Okay. We need a upgrade. Right there. Boost. That's what we needed. Awesome. So 2 more. We need free game right here. Game. Game. Well, that sucked. But good win. 25, 45, 15, and 50 bucks. 148.50. Good win. So we got the blue train and then the luxury line. So let's get the minor so we can get a Handpay. Good start, 40 bucks. 50 bucks, here we go. Minor, come on. No, come on. Minor, come on, minor. Minor, minor. Alright, so let's get 10 trains. Let's get 9 trains. No, let's get 10. Yeah, 10. Alright. That'll work. $770. Nice little train. All aboard. Good win. Alright, we got 57.50. So let's get 10 trains. Wow. Wow. 8 trains. Nice. 460 bucks. Nice. Beautiful. Alright, this is $81 after the, I don't know. Put 100 in. Jack me. Ball me. Thank you. Alright, just drop the green one. Make this trip sweet. Okay, drop anything now. Thank you. $10. Mini $100. Alright, 3 more times, please. Do it. Wild. Oh, 9s. Balls. 9s again. Wilds. Alright, 50x. Alright, got a bonus. Balls me, please. Wild me, please. Alright, that's the same as a wild. Because $10 a line, 5 lines. Nothing me, please. Balls. Piece of crap. Wilds. Alright. 33x. Alright, got a bonus. 4 trigger bonus. 750, maxed out major. Why not? Chip me in the middle. How about that major? Wild? No. Chip. Yeah, roulette yourself. 9s. $1.50. How much is 5 of a con pack? $1.50? That's crazy. Chip. Wild. Okay. $10 a line for roulettes. I don't know about. Okay. Last spin. Let's get a chip. Chip. Nope. Alright, good win. 53x. 50-cent denom, $12.50 bet. $500 mini. Come on. Mini, minor, major, please. Anything, please. Alright, 650-ish. $7.12. Good one. This game's hard. Need a green chip in the middle. Minor would be okay. Money. Alright, give me a major minor. $15.5. $120. Don't even have to look up. Last spin. Alright, 31x, 31 and a half. Alright, we got decent balls. Let's see if big balls come with decent ones. Right here. Green me, please. Okay. Anything? No. $275. Alright, you don't want to freaking know. $25 bet. All dollar chips. Need the minor mini. You need all that. Come on. Big one, please. Anything. Anything, please. Thank you. $1,000. Come on. Big one. Green, blue. Green or blue. Hit. Anything. Good win. Don't play maxed out majors. $2,950. Good one.